Do you ever wonder where all your money goes at the end of the month? You're not alone. That's where budgeting comes in. Welcome to Money Mentor, where we simplify money management so you can take control of your financial future. Today, we're breaking down what a budget really is and why it's the first step toward financial freedom with Beer and Kay. Ugh, Burr. My allowance is already finished and the month isn't even over. How do you always have money left?
Because I use a budget, Kai.
Budget? That sounds boring.
It's not boring, it's freedom. A budget is just a plan for your money. You decide where it goes instead of wondering where it went.
But I don't spend that much. Just food with friends, a new hoodie, some online games. Oh, and that skincare kit.
See, that's the problem. Without a budget, money just slips away.
So you're saying I should write down every single rupee?
Not exactly. Start simple. Think of your money in 3 jars. One for needs, like food, travel, essentials. One for wants, like shopping or games. And one for savings.
But then I won't have enough for fun.
Actually, it's the opposite. When you set money aside for fun, you can enjoy it guilt-free. The trick is deciding before you spend.
Huh, so budgeting isn't about saying no all the time?
Exactly. It's about saying yes to the right things. Think of it like this. You're the boss of your money. Without a budget, your money bosses you around.
Okay, Boss Beer. Teach me how to make one of these magical budgets.
Deal. In the next chat, we'll figure out your income and expenses. Once you know where your money goes, we'll build your first budget.
Finally. Maybe I won't have to borrow from you at the end of the month.
That's the goal, sis. If you like our video, do not forget to subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more videos from the Money Mentor.